Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix the AOSU Doorbell camera not connecting to Wi-Fi. There is a couple of things we need to try to be able to fix this. So the first one is, number 1, check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the Wi-Fi is working by testing other devices like your phone or laptop. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz, as many doorbell cameras do not support 5 GHz networks. Verify that the SSID or network name is visible and that no issues exist with your router. Number 2, restart your router. Sometimes simply restarting your router can resolve connection issues. Unplug the router. Wait 10 to 20 seconds and plug it back in. Allow the router to fully restart before attempting to reconnect the camera. Number 3, check camera placement. Ensure the doorbell camera is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Move the camera closer to the router if necessary, especially if it's too far from your Wi-Fi source. Number 4, reset the camera. If the camera is still not connecting, factory reset the camera by pressing and holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. You may need a pin or paperclip. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to set the camera up again. Number 5, update the AOSU app. Make sure that the AOSU app on your phone is up to date. Check for app updates in your device's app store and install the latest version. Number 6, check for firmware updates. Make sure your camera's firmware is up to date. Sometimes outdated firmware can cause connection issues. Follow the instructions in the AOSU app to check and update the firmware if needed. Number 7, reconfigure Wi-Fi settings. Ensure that your router has WPA2 security enabled. If you have special characters in your Wi-Fi password, try changing it to a simpler password, as some devices may struggle with special characters. Number 8, check for interference. Other devices, like microwaves or electronics, can interfere with the Wi-Fi signal. Try to move other devices away from your router and camera to reduce potential interference. Number 9, contact support. If all else fails, contact AOSU customer support for further assistance.